In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enchant weapons in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly acquire and enchant any weapons that you have. So first, enchantments are going to be buffs given to your weapons upon obtainment. They are not attached to a single weapon, and they will transfer over to any other weapon that you currently have equipped. So basically, all that you have to do is obtain the enchantment itself, and it is going to automatically be applied to any weapon that you might have. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to acquire each of the 6 enchantments currently in the game. So for the first one, Inferno, you will need level 30 or more. Now, from the entrance of the volcano, take the right path and complete the dangerous parkour. You will be able to talk to the entity at the end, and you will be able to get the Inferno enchantment. Upon attacking, your weapon might apply the burning status effect. Next, you have Midas. For this one, you will need basically level 1 and above, so you can do it from a level 1 character if somehow you were able to get it, and then you just need to defeat Yartol, the Blazing Dragon. So enter the inn located on the starting town, talk to Lodisa, who is sitting alone at a table at the back, and accept her quest. Sell 250 items and speak to her again, and you will be able to get the enchantment. You can only obtain this enchantment once per character, not slot. She is going to disappear after getting the enchantment, so keep that in mind. You will have to wipe your character if you want to get it again, and this one will increase drop rates. It also increases the chance to do extra damage and increases the gold that you gain from enemies. Next, you have Reaper. Upon attacking, you have a chance to heal a portion of the damage dealt. You will need a Lineage Shard, level 35 or more, and max life. Now, take the unique path down the desert, arrive at the red glowing door, open the door, and you will be able to interact with the red spikes. You can hold the Lineage Shard, and you will be able to get the spikes there. Now, you have Life Song. Upon attacking, you have a chance to heal and provide regen to you and your party. You need level 30 and roughly 5,000 healing done in combat. Healing yourself does not count, so keep that in mind. Go to Deep Root Depths, follow the parkour, going towards the middle, and upon completing the parkour, you will be able to find yourself the Forgotten Sanctum. Interact with the green glowing pillar in there, and you will be able to get this enchantment. Cursed will give you a chance to apply debuffs on the enemy and provide immunities to Says Ground anomalies. To get this one, you need level 35 and complete the Cursed Corpse quest. You will need to do a battle with the Venom Shroom, get hit by the Toxic Burst move while you have the Poison status effect, and you will receive the Cursed effect. Kill all enemies while having the Cursed effect, and you will almost be fully cursed. Go to the Sass Grounds and die to the Sass anomalies. Instead of dying, you will be fully healed and get the enchantment. Finally, for Frost, where you have a chance of freezing your enemies or apply shield upon attacking them, you will need time and have 100 or 500 crystallized joy. Talk to the King of Festivities and you will be able to buy it for 500 crystallized joys. I hope I was able to help you on how to enchant weapons in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.